Now, what if a family member suspects abuse or neglect, what steps should they take at that point?
I would say the first thing that should be done is talk to administration at the facility, unless it's a completely egregious situation. You
Yeah,
know, if it's a physical violence situation, sexual violence, that crazy,
yeah,
terrible stuff happens in these facilities. Unless it's one of those kind of scenarios, I would say, take that step, talk to the director of nursing, talk to the administrator of the facility and say, here's my concerns. We've tried to deal with this with the nursing staff. They're not doing what we want them to do. Can you take some steps?
yeah,
And that would be step one. Now, there's always care plan meetings, usually monthly, and that's at a time where the family can sort of relay those issues as well, and make sure that they're known to be addressed. And if the time goes by and they're not being addressed, I would say you can get in touch with the ombudsman through the area agency on aging for the county.
yes,
That's the next step. Beyond that, you have the Department of Health. You can file a formal complaint with the Department of Health. You can do that anonymously, or you can do it online. Put all your information in there, and they're obligated to go investigate all those complaints. And last step, I would say call an attorney, because an attorney can direct the individual to help through those processes.
yeah,
Maybe get in touch with the facility and kind of cut some of these things off before they get to the point where you really need to take further action. It's all about being proactive.
yeah,
Uh, it's an unfortunate situation that we're in, that you really have to be on top of things that way.
yeah,
You expect that when you place an individual into a facility that's licensed to do this care, that they will actually do the care that they said they would.
right,
Reality is, it doesn't always happen, and a lot of that time it's whether or
yeah,
not it's a profit motive or just they can't find the staff to fully and properly staff. There's a lot of reasons for it, but I think the ultimate way to cut things off is to be involved and
yeah,
to show up and be the pain, be the one that,
right,
all right, we better take care of this individual, because if we don't, we know we're going to hear about it. And
yes,
that's how you make sure that the individual's going to get
yeah,
taken
I
care of.
agree.